has been an online entrepreneur, trader, portfolio manager that has been transacted more than 80 billion US dollar transactions in global financial market for more than 10 years. Max has been helping top international financial institutions to manage their funds and multiply them. Since a few years ago, Max has been coaching, training and grooming more than 1,000 aspiring entrepreneurs and leaders to build highly profitable portfolio online using the Max Intelligent Growth Strategy. If you know Max personally, you will know that he is not a hyper-excited, raw type of speaker, but more like an introvert, mad scientist that developed powerful processes and systems. Without further ado, let's put our hands together to welcome Max to share his powerful experience so that we can learn from his amazing experience.
Hi. A lot of people, they start getting panic when, especially when the asset that they buy, okay, for example, they buy stock market or any asset class and start declining, market start dropping, okay, they start getting panic and don't know what to do. And some of them just simply cut loss and cash out, okay, or some just forced to hold and don't know what to do. And in uncertainty or in crisis, a lot of people try to get as much cash as possible, okay, holding their cash, and don't know what to do, either don't know what to do or don't dare to do anything, okay, in crisis time. Some people just keep, of course, people who have cash, right? A lot of people have cash, they keep buying things, stuff, okay, and without getting, without properly value, okay, the asset that they buy, okay, the stocks, be it stocks or gold or silver or some other investment scheme. Okay, so today we are going to talk about this. Okay, is cash really your, what do you think? Is cash your king or your servant? Okay, so for example, when you are in stock market, right? If let's say some of people, when they are in a lot of, most of their asset, for example, most of the cash get caught in stock market, and they don't know whether they should cut loss or should they do anything. Okay, so one of the idea I'm going to talk about today is you can actually hedge your risk, okay, doing some hedging your risk. And yes, of course you can get some cash, but there are smarter way of making your cash work for you, okay, serve you as like a king, instead of you become the servant of money. Okay, for example, what the idea we are going to talk about today is, let's say some, most of your money right now is in gold or in stock market, or whereby recently, right, a lot of people, a lot of the headlines and topic, we a lot of people talking about the interest rate, okay, interest rate and inflation, okay. So because inflation is getting more and more critical, okay, so central banker are talking about how to curb the risk inflation by raising the interest rate, okay, increase the interest rate. So how do you make do you make some money or capture the opportunity to grow your wealth, okay, in this case while you are holding on your stock or gold or any other positions, which is declining right now, okay. So you can, what you can do is, okay, if you are if you are going to hold cash, okay, we can see that when interest rate increase, right, okay, from the fact we look at the price, okay, look at the price to show the case. You can see that let's look at the dollar index, okay, US dollar index. Okay, dollar index. Okay, from here you can see the dollar actually is increasing, right? Okay, is keep climbing higher and higher against a dollar index is measuring how strong is US dollar versus a basket of currencies. A basket of currency like euro, okay, Swiss franc, pound, okay, British pound, and Swedish krona, and also Japanese yen, okay, and Canadian dollar, okay, a few of them, okay, a basket of 6 other currencies. So that means you can see that versus most of the major currency we mentioned just now, US dollar actually is strengthening. Okay, how do you capture this opportunity? For example, now if let's say you are holding US stocks or other stocks which is declining, okay, instead of cut loss, or instead of if you want to hold for long term, for example for retirement fund, or if let's say you are holding some gold position, okay, you want to hold for long term to preserve your wealth, okay, so instead of cut loss or cash out, one way is you can buy the US dollar index or buy US dollar against a basket of other currencies that is depreciating, okay, against US dollar. Okay, how to do this? For example, yeah, look at this US dollar index. Okay, okay, for example, let's say we use this month as an example. Okay, we long, you buy US dollar, okay, against a basket of other currencies, and look at it. Look at this. What is the results? If you were to use every $100, they invest in US dollar this month, okay, actually you earn $53.73, okay, which is a 53.73% ROI. And what is the risk? The maximum risk is $35, okay, 35%, around 35%, okay, $38, okay, so yep, so this is what you can do. One way you can do it this way. If let's say every $100 you earn $53, that means every $1,000 you're earning $530, okay, every $10,000 you are earning $5,300, and every 100,000 you are earning 53,000, okay, and every $1 million you're earning 530,000, 10 million you're earning 5.3 million. This is what it means. This is what it means. Okay, US dollar index. If you were to hold cash, one way to hedge against your other temporary declining positions or losing position, paper losing position, if in stock market or gold, which you want to hold it for medium or long term for your retirement fund. Okay, this is what you can do. Or the other way is you can simply just buy other currency. Okay, for example, against buy US dollar against other currency. For example, let's go to let's go to US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, which is Japanese yen, which is the one of the safe haven, right? In our last topic we talk about. Okay, where every $100 you buy US dollar against Japanese yen. What is your ROI for this month? Okay, $19.28 for every $100 you invest. Okay, which is 19.28%. And your maximum risk is only 10%. Which that means every $100 your maximum risk is only $10. This is what it means. Okay, 19.28%. Okay, every $100 you earn 19.28% with maximum risk of $10, about $10. Okay, and of course you can diversify. I'm just using this as an example. You can do this across across different other currency pairs. Okay, to hedge against to do some hedging. Okay, or diversification. For example, US dollar versus Canadian dollar. You can buy US dollar against Canadian dollar. So the first thing is the dollar index, right? US dollar index. Another one is the US dollar versus specific currency like Japanese yen, Canadian dollar. Okay, and what is your returns if let's say you were to buy US dollar against Canadian dollar this month? For every $100 you can see here, your earnings is $15.16. Okay, $15. Okay, maximum risk is $15 as well, but on net your net earnings, net profit is $15 for every $100 you invest. That means $1,000 is 150, right? Okay, every $10,000 is $1,500, and every 100,000 is $15,000. Okay, every $1 million is every 100,000 is 15,000. Yeah, every 1 million is $150,000. Okay, so we have, I show you US dollar index. I will show you which is an index whereby US dollar against a basket of currencies. I have shown you US dollar versus Japanese yen, if you to buy US dollar versus Japanese yen, and also US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay, you also can do it further. Okay, like for example, you can do it with, okay, you can you can do it with some other major currency as well. For example, euro. Okay, euro versus US dollar. Euro versus US dollar, you have to do it the other way, because you are going to buy US dollar, right? That means you are going to sell euro. Okay, sell euro versus US dollar. and let's see what is the results. Okay, so that means this month, if you were to buy US dollar against and sell your euro, you are going to earn $13 for every $100 you invest. Okay, $13. Okay, maximum risk is $37. Okay, which is relatively higher from here, because if let's say you were to diversify across a basket of different currency, if you were to hold cash, a basket of different currency, then you will minimize the risk of you choosing the wrong one, okay, or the higher risk one. Okay, it can offset one another. So $13, but on net is $13. Okay, for every $100 you invest, or in US dollar versus euro. And let's go to pound, which is one of the major currency as well in the US dollar index. Okay, same thing, you are going to sell pound, okay, short or sell pound versus buy US dollar. Okay, for US dollar versus pound, if you were to buy US dollar and sell pound, that means long US dollar and short pound, and for every $100 you invest, your returns is going to be $17, okay, which is 17%. Okay, for this month. Maximum risk is $15 for every $100. Okay, let's go to Swiss franc, US dollar versus Swiss franc. Okay, this one you got to buy US dollar and sell Swiss franc, right? That means long US dollar and short Swiss franc, and this is what you are going to do. Okay. Okay, here don't show the results. Probably we skip to the next, or we got to use other platform. Maybe this platform they don't they disable the Swiss franc trading. Let's go to other. You can do this for other things, all different things or currencies. For example, what else? What do you want to know? Okay. Or let's go to some major one. Okay, close to. Okay, Swedish krona. Let's. Okay, Swedish krona. Whether is there Swedish krona? Okay, maybe we go to. Okay, we show you with. I think we go to another platform and do it. Okay, if you anything you want to know about this strategy or this idea, you can always leave your question in the comment. Okay, and I will specifically answer your questions, and or I will allow me some time. I will do especially get ready and prepare for you. Okay, a session for you. Maybe in the next video, I will specifically do a video for you in the next video. So remember to closely follow our channel, and keep feel free to ask questions. Don't be shy. Okay, Swedish krona. Okay, US dollar versus Swedish krona, we are going to buy US dollar against Swedish krona because dollar is in strengthening, right? So Swedish krona is also one of the element, one of the major currency in the US dollar index. Same thing, we do it with $100. Give everything for a while for it to process. Okay, the results is here. If you were to buy US dollar versus Swedish krona, your ROI for this month will be $12 for every $100 you invest, which is 12.17%, and the maximum risk is 54, which is quite high, right? $54 for every $100. So from here you can see, okay, why is the best for yourself, for you, and this is just a showcase of how you can do it. Okay, instead of feel panic, cutting loss, or just keep more cash but don't know what to do. Actually, you can proactively using this opportunity, okay, to make some profit or grow your wealth, even in crisis, even in when stock market is declining, or even in recession, or even in crisis, or even when there's some uncertainty, okay, due to inflation or due to other reasons. So if you can consistently do this, okay, what is the results again? Okay, same thing, $100, you save every month $100 for in 10 years time, $12,000, okay, your deposit, but your total profit you are going to make is $1.2 million, okay, conservatively. If you were, the compounding frequency is annual. If the compound frequency is daily, of course, it's $24 million profit, net profit, okay. This is to capture compound interest over the long term, okay. So that means in any crisis, in any economy, any market, or in any times, okay, no matter crisis or when stock market booming, actually you do have a lot of tools and choice to compound and to grow your wealth, okay. It's just about the strategy, how are you going to do it. So today I just show you another strategy, and along the way I'm going to show you more and more strategy, okay, so and more ideas. So remember, if you have any questions, always comment in the leave it in the comment below, and follow our channel. Do come to our next video, okay, or next live. So I'm going to answer your questions, keep giving you value, and teach you how to do this, okay, to grow your wealth in any economy or in any market, no matter market booming or in crisis. I will see you, and all the best.
Are you not satisfied with your current investment portfolio, or even losing money in your investment for quite some time? What if I tell you that we have a scientifically tested and proven AI quant with 99.9% accuracy to improve your return on investment significantly? Do you want to be part of this? Maxima Value is a New York-based international wealth management firm that uses artificial intelligence to invest in global investment market efficiently. This world-class quant algorithm has been tested and proven for more than 10 years, since 2012 with $80 billion transacted volume. We automate investors' wealth by using our AI-powered quant system. It's totally hassle-free and just plug and play and profit. If you want to be part of this revolutionary journey, sign up for our investor club right now to get into the frontier of investment world in this new era of human. Maxima Value, enriching your life.
2000多万美金是一个户口，这样你总共户口加起来是那个数目多少？
可能陆陆续续前前后后啊，加起来可能有3000多万吧。
3000多万美金，哇！